Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Classroom Import. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to load my add-on, Magic Classroom Import, and launch it. Now, what this does, it links directly with your Google Classroom, and it's going to load all the Google Classrooms that you have. So I've got this test class that I'm going to use today, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my class, and then it's going to give me my assignment list. I'm going to choose which assignment. Now I'm going to start with the Google Slides assignment, and I'm going to make sure I click import names because this is the first time I'm importing, so I want the name. So I'm going to import the assignment. This classroom only has one pupil, so you're only going to see one thing. But basically what happened, you get confirmation, and it would have listed all of the pupils if you have more. And there's only one assignment. Obviously, I'm just importing one assignment, so I've got the name and I've imported, and it says it has not been returned, as in this assignment hasn't been graded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to Google Docs test. Now I'll leave import names on so you can see what happens and see why I would actually untick that. So I import the assignment, and this time it's going to insert the name again, and it's going to import the mark. Now something's not quite right here. It hasn't escaped, and I'm not sure why. So I'm just going to cross it off because I can actually see its work. So it doesn't really matter too much. But you can see I wouldn't want name again. Okay, so I would actually get rid of that. So if I just get rid of that, all of that that's just imported, it's just raw data. It doesn't matter. This time I'm going to import again and import this assignment. It will put it this time just next to the next available column, and you see what happens. It's done it there. It's put the next available column. Now, one thing that you need to know that is happening, and you can see on this one, there's actually a mark, so it's got the mark this time. So one thing is happening, it is sorting the data. So it is sorting it by surname in ascending order. So therefore, you've just got to be a little bit careful when using it, especially if you get a new member of the class in. It's at various times you might want to import names just to make sure the order is the order you're expecting it to be in. Because if there's differences, you'll see those straight away. It's one of those that it doesn't take long to do, so you can always redo it, and you could add a new sheet and add the grades onto another sheet, etc. I hope it's useful. If you do have any problems with it or spot anything not quite right, do let me know. It's not so magic apps at gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help.